If you have a high deductible health plan, you are eligible for a health savings account. A lot of you have health savings account and you're not really sure what you can do with the money. You can spend the money on many different types of qualified medical expenses. So the most common question I get is, well, can I spend it on cosmetic surgery? No. Can I spend it on toiletries? No. You can reimburse yourself, as far as Medicare goes, for copays, coinsurance, and deductibles. You can't pay the monthly premium on your Medicare supplement, but you can reimburse yourself for your deductible. One of the cool things if you're on Medicare is you can write yourself a check every month out of your HSA money to reimburse yourself for what they took out of Social Security to pay for Medicare Part B. So if they took out $165 for Medicare Part B and you're like, I'm healthy, I have union insurance that covers my teeth and VA for this and I don't have anything to spend my HSA money on, you can write yourself a check to reimburse yourself monthly for that Medicare Part B. So the list of things that you can spend it on, qualified medical expenses, is very long. Let's talk about some of the common things you cannot spend it on. So one thing people ask me all the time is groceries. No, you can't spend it on groceries. I know, food is medicine. No, you can't spend it on groceries. You can't spend it on toiletries. You can't spend it on most supplements and vitamins. So you got to think more like health care related expenses. Now, you might not want to spend your HSA money at all, and that's where it gets a little tricky. An HSA is considered a triple win, a triple tax winner, because the money goes into your HSA, you didn't pay taxes on that. Then it grows while it's in your HSA tax-free. And this is a kicker. When you take that money out, taxes aren't paid on it either. So most people use their HSA like a credit card. And every year they put some money in, and then if they go to the dentist, they use their HSA, and if they get glasses, they use their HSA. But financial experts will tell you it's better to not spend that money since it can grow tax-free forever, and it can come out tax-free later in your retirement years. Don't use it. Invest it. Now, to invest, it's a little harder. If you don't actively tie it to your brokerage account, it's just going to sit there and cash and not do anything. So you can't just leave it there. You have to proactively attach it so you can invest it aggressively. Then don't use it. As you go to the dentist and the eye doctor, you can pay all those expenses, save the receipts, and then way down here in the future, 5, 10, 50, however long in the future, whenever you want to take the money out, hopefully you're no longer working, you're at a lower tax bracket, you can take it out again, it's not taxable, and then you can get reimbursed after that money has grown all those years. So that's why it's called a triple win. It's a big rarity. So instead of just using it like a credit card and every year putting money in, taking money out, you might consider using that as an additional retirement investment vehicle. Now, some of us don't have that luxury, right? We're living hand to mouth. We're trying to get through this year, and we're really not worrying about the future. In which case, yeah, this is your money. Your employer doesn't own it. Flexible savings accounts, FFAs, your employer owns. And people get these two confused. They're like, if I don't use it, I lose it. That's an FSA. With an HSA, a health savings account, you own the money, not your employer. If you leave, it goes with you. If you don't use the money, like I was saying, it just rolls over. You keep the money in your account until you choose at any time. There's no required minimum distribution till you decide to take it out. And whenever you take it out, the best music to your ears is that it will not be taxable. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button below and check out all our other helpful videos to get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.